In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and let me show you how to manage Google accounts in this device, in this tablet. So at first you need to open list of all apps, not Google, then select settings, and now locate accounts and backup, and go to accounts then. As you can see, currently I am logged in with my Google account, so smoothly tap on the current one, and you can smoothly remove it if you want to. Just click on remove account here, tap on remove account, and that's it. Then whenever you would like to add any Google account, all you need to do is to enter Google accounts, tap on add account, accounts and backup, then click on accounts, go to Google to add Google account. And now enter your email address or phone number, whatever you use while you log into Google. In my case, it is email address. And tap on go or next, whatever you've got around. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is. Now tap on next. And that's it. Now just read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Tap on I agree then. And that would be all. Tap on accept to finish the whole operation. And as you can see, Google account is added to your Samsung Galaxy Tab A. And that would be all. So you can manage Google accounts in this device in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.